Hi guys, welcome to Aathi In Wonderland. My name is Adi. I wish you all a happy New Year 2022. Today I'm gonna be reading Do not lick this book. What? Who in the world is gonna lick that book? Even if it doesn't say do not lick this book. It's full of germs by Ben-Barak and Julian. This is Min. Min is a microbe. She's small, very small. Can you see this dot? Microbes are so small that 3,420 to 167 of them could fit on it. Or maybe a few million. Microbes live everywhere. In the air, in your intestine, in your sock, on trumpets at the bottom of the sea, Antarctica underground, on elephants' knees, on top of vertebrates inside this fish, in your breakfast, up Santa's nose, just over there. Min lives in this book, and if you could look really, really closely, you would see her. I'm bored. This is a photo of paper really, really close up. Let's take Min on an adventure. See the circle on the next page? That's where Min lives. Touch the circle and pick her up. She's up on my finger. Min is now on my finger. Away we go. Where shall we take Min first? Take me to your teeth. Okay, let's go. Open your mouth and carefully touch your front teeth. Eat. Now let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of teeth really, really close up. Wow, this place is weird. I'm in. What are you guys up to? I'm Ray. We're digging cavities. Wanna help? I could get some acid over here. Yuck! Can you smell toothpaste? Hey kid, brush your teeth less. And eat some more lollies. What a strange place teeth are when you look really, really closely. No wonder it's a good idea to brush them. It's time for Min's next adventure. Touch your teeth and pick Min up. Got her up. It looks like you picked Ray up as well. Where shall we go next? I would like to visit a shirt, Ray. Sure. Alright, let's explore your shirt. Put your finger on your shirt and send Min and Ray on a new adventure. Now let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of fabric really, really close up. I'm Min and this is Ray. We're on an adventure. Nice to meet you. My name is Dennis. We're making the shirt smell gross. I found a clean patch. Dennis, there's some lovely fluff down here. Can you give me a hand spreading this dirt around? What's a hand? I hope we don't get put in the water for a few more days. What a strange place. Shirts are when you look really, really closely. No wonder they need washing. Now it's time for Min and Ray's next adventure. Touch your shirt to pick them up. But Matt, Dennis has come along for the ride. We have time for one more trip. Where shall we go? We shall visit a belly button. Dennis, what's a belly button? Okay, off we go. Put your finger in your belly button and wiggle around. Now let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of skin really, really close up. Hello, we're Min, Ray, and Dennis. This shirt is weird. I'm Ray. I'm Jake. Welcome. We don't get many visitors. I do enjoy nice drink of sweet on a hot day. Help yourself a delicious chunk of dead skin. I'll tell you about the time soap got all the way in here. I don't like scary stories. What a strange place. The skin is when you look really, really closely. No wonder it gets itchy. Put your finger back on your belly button and to Min and her friends. That was fun. Now I'd like to go back to my book, please. Can we come? What's a book? Let's put Min and her friends back in this book. Here's a good spot. There's plenty of room for everyone. Okay. Where will you take Min tomorrow? What microbes really look like? Microbes are so small that nobody knew they even exist until microscopes were invented. They come in all sorts of odd shapes, but they don't have faces, feet, or hands, and they couldn't really talk. So Min is an E. coli. What? That's me? What do you mean? I don't have eyes or a mouth. E. colis live happily in your intestines, but they are really good at spreading, especially when you don't wash your hands too well. Ray is a streptococcus. I'm more bumpy. Streptococcus bacteria live in your mouth, eating sugar and peeping acid when it can dissolve your teeth. Dennis is a fungus. Nice hairstyle. His name is an Aspergillus snicker. You probably picked him up by playing outside. Jake is a conibacterium. I wish I had legs in real life too. Conibacteria live on your skin. They're big fans of